Hello guys, the AI dance baby video has been making waves online, and you can agree with me that everybody wants to learn how to design theirs. So today, I'll be breaking it down. I'll be taking you through the step-by-step methods on how to design your own baby dance video. Let's go. Alright, so guys, this is very simple. This is very simple. You have to follow simple instructions for you to generate your audio and your dance video. So the first step is to go to your chat GPT. This particular app will enable you to generate prompts and ideas for your baby dance videos. Already I have a prompt, so I will just simply copy and paste. I said I want to go into trending dance on TikTok, but with baby animation. How will I get the prompt and make it realistic? So here it is. Okay, ChatGPT gave me different instructions to follow on how to get my prompts. So guys, try this out. um ChatGPT is a very good friend, a friendly tool whenever it comes to prompt ideas, image generation. Trust me, ChatGPT is very good. However, I already have my prompt like I said, so I will just copy the second prompt and paste it. Yes, so I'll say, okay, thank you for that. However, I want my baby to be a black American girl, but light skinned with a very coily American hair, well packed, looking very beautiful, right? Then she'll be in bum shorts and crop top. Yeah, I want my baby to look good, kind of baby clothes with nice shoes, looking very beautiful in her room. Then in Okay, then in her hand, she should be wearing colorful bangles and like very fine bangles, and she should be a bit chubby. She should have a nice body, neither too big nor slim. She should have chubby, nice cheeks, 3D pizza style baby, has big eyes, soft skin, chubby cheeks. You know how it is now. You have to describe it. Whenever it comes to image generation, you have to be very clear as possible. You know that this is AI, so you need to be very clear in your prompt and your instruction. You understand? So at the end, I said, do not deviate from this instruction. You know that AI is somehow, it can misbehave, so you just have to be very strict with it for you to get what you wish for. So we allow it to come up with something. So you have to be patient. Guys. All right, it's giving us prompts, power prompts. Okay, it's still giving us prompts. So so we just copy the first one here. Then we go over to this place here, and we just add generate a stunning 3D pizza lab animated baby, blah 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 blah, right? Then at the end, we still add do not deviate from this instruction. All right, let's see what it will give us. So why is generating our image? When we go over to TikTok, like I said, this particular image, this particular baby dance video, they are going viral. They're everywhere. You understand? Anywhere you go to, you must see them. So what you will just type is, we just type Purple Speedy. There are different dancers. We have endurance, we have Gracino, we have Purple Speedy. Just make your choice. Me, I love Purple Speedy, right? So I will just go over to our page, and all right, they are different. You just select the one that she danced alone. So me, let's look at this one. Okay, she danced alone here. Okay, let's just download this. All right, so we go over to our gallery. We go over to our gallery. Let's check it out. I love this. I love this. I love this. So for this video, you have to crop the particular video so that it will not be more than 30 seconds. Yes, it should not be more than 30 seconds. So we just go over to this place and yes, so we go to the end of the video. Okay, it's actually 30 seconds, but I would like to make mine 28 to be on a safer side. All right, so we are going to mute the video because this is YouTube, right? You don't have to have any, you don't want to have any copyright strike, right? So this is, you remove the watermark. I'm using InShot for this, but feel free to use any of your editing app, be it CapCut or anyone that is available. But for now, I'm using InShot. So we simply export, and this OP advertisements are everywhere. Alright, our video is downloading. So while we wait for our video to download, have you subscribed to our channel? Do well to subscribe so that you'll be getting updates. We'll be getting on the update we post our new videos. Alright, voila, our video is ready. You have to go back to your chat GPT to check if our image is ready, right? Wow, look at our baby girl. Look at our baby girl. It gave us exactly what we prompted. With her cheeks, her eyes, her bangles. Wow. It captured every damn thing. This is so nice. So what you just do is to save it. So the next step is a very important step. So you just have to be very patient. You have to be very patient. Just go over to your Chrome browser, then you will just type Kling Kling AI. That's the name of the AI tool we'll be using for this particular project. So when you tap on it, you see this particular one, the first one, you click on it, right? Yeah, so this is what you will see. So this place is said experience now. Tap on it. The background. So this place they wrote Kling 2.6 motion control. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom it so you can see it. This place they wrote this place. Tap on it. Yes, tap on it. Allow it to load. So we have 166 points. Yeah, this is not a free app. Well, it's free to an extent. After you exhaust your points, you pay. You subscribe, right? You pay. So we have 166 points for now. So what we will do is to import the video we downloaded. Remember that video, that purple speedy video we downloaded. You have to import it. Then you also have to import the image we generated from ChatGPT. So you put it there, right? Good. Then you are going to this place the words, okay, this place that my cursor is pointing at. You are going to put your prompt, right? What you want it to do for you. So I already have my prompt. So I will just simply copy and paste. Alright, I said the character of the uploaded image should replicate the exact movement, expression, and dance steps as shown in the reference video. So while we are waiting for our video to load, have you subscribed? Do well to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, give us likes, give us comments so that this will encourage us to put out more videos like this to help you grow. Alright, our image and our video, both of them are ready. So we just quickly click on this generate, but it takes time. So you have to exercise patience. Alright, so guys, our video is done generating. Let's take a look at what it gave us. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. It's so nice, guys. Don't you think so? Alright, so for us to download it, we go over to this place. Let me zoom it so you can see it. This arrow sign here. Then you can now download it, and voila, you have your video saved to your phone. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, do well to subscribe, like, and drop a beautiful comment. If you're interested in knowing the kind of prompts I use, or if you want to follow my prompts, do well to comment prompts, then I will send it to you. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.